Okay. So my battery just, no, not my battery, my memory got full, so I had to delete some files. Okay, so back again. I was saying that, okay, so here is some macaroni, and then we have some pieces of beef. We got, where's that? Some pieces of beef bacon. It's beef bacon. It's not pork, it's beef bacon. Carrot. Potatoes. But I think it's a bit hard. No, yeah. It should be. My husband should have put this on the top because we cooked it in it's a round oven thingy where the fire comes, the heating comes from the top. It's like an air frying oven. I can hear my mom shouting out for my dad downstairs. Oh. So my husband put leftover mac and cheese sauce in this casserole, and some cream, whipping cream, cooking cream, whatever. Oh, we also got some pieces of sausage. So it's very creamy, very filling. Thirsty. I know, I hear my dad talking to. There's a we have a part-time maid who comes on Mondays and Thursdays to clean up the house. And then my dad has somebody fixing a toilet in another room. I think it broke, so water is dripping downstairs, so they have to fix it. My toilet is outside the room. I mean, I share with my brother. We share with my brother. Maybe I'll give you a tour of the house, but maybe. I'm not ready yet to give you a full tour. I know, I just think I mean, my bedroom is one thing, but the whole house is maybe not that important. Or, never mind, if I feel like it. She's really filling. It's good to eat if you're really, really hungry. Oh, I forgot. I do have tissue. This was from yesterday. Oh, I got just a little bit more. I'm not finishing the potatoes because they're too hard. Come on. Very good. It's so creamy. I feel like showing you my cat. I used to have so many cats, like almost 12. But then year by year, you know, they died. They died like one by one, and then there was 6. And there was 6 or 7, I think 6. We used to just keep them in a cage. But then, you know, we decided, oh, just let it go. They were becoming too big, and the cage couldn't fit all of them because they were getting really huge. But then when they got out, some ran away, and some got hit by a car, like accidents, and then some just died because they got sick. I have one cat, a street cat that we adopted from SPCA, and that cat was named Toby. He was with us since I was married, so he was with us for 4 or 5 years. His name is Toby, and we loved him so much. The reason we bought him was actually to take care of the mice around the house, outside, because cats they don't eat the mice, actually. They just kill the mice. They like to play with it and kill it. So that was his role when we bought him, and then after a while we got attached to him, and he's the smartest cat and the most beautiful street cat to have. I'm actually just crying thinking about it, because he died. He got AIDS. He must have gotten it from other cats, wild cats from outside, because he's very territorial. He died in June, just before, exactly before the past 2 months. He didn't die. We put him down because he was getting too sick. I still have pictures. Of him. He's the only He's the last cat that I'll ever get attached to because we used to have so many cats since I was little, you know. And I tried not to get attached to any other cat. At first I wasn't attached to Toby because I know that someday he would, you know, be gone because if you love a cat too much. That's what I learned. That's what I learned over the years of living and through having so many cats. I learned that if you love a cat too much, it'll be taken away. I just know that someday Toby will be taken away, but I didn't know too soon. I was hoping he would be around with us for like 10 years or probably more, but he just got, you know, he just was able to just stick around for 4 years. I try not to think about it, but you know, when I talk about it, I just break down because he was the smartest, sweetest cat. I know some people will be like, oh, it's just a cat, or to those who don't know what it feels like to have a cat or any kind of pets, you just won't know. I really love Toby so much. But I was the one that decided to put him down. Rather than seeing them suffer, seeing him suffer. Anyway, I just want to say that my in-laws, they have a lot of cats also, but in order to, you know, distract me from thinking about Toby too much, or to sort of replace, you know, the absence of Toby, not that he's ever replaceable, but it's, you know, they were having too much cats in the condo. They live in a condo, so they just decided to give them to us, put them here. So they're 2 cats. They're very big. I don't know what breed they are, but they're cute. But we have another. Now total there's only 5 cats. 3 cats are ours. 2 is from my in-laws. So the 3 cats that we have outside, we don't put them in cages anymore, but they're still around. One name is Casserole, one is Foxy Roxy, one is Top Hat. Casserole means love or like care in English, in Malay. And then the 2 ones that my in-laws gave, their name is Along and Ude. Along means the eldest, and Ude means number 3 or number 4, and you know, like in a line of siblings. They're brother and sister, so they're downstairs. Maybe I can show you later. So I'm just saying. So now we only have 5 cats. 2 new cats are in. Along and Uda is in the cage because I don't want to put them outside yet because they're new. They'll be like running around like crazy, and suddenly they're out of the house, and suddenly you don't know. I can't catch them. It'll be hard to catch. But they have collars already with bells. The other 3 cats outside they don't need bells because they're just outside. Anyway, like I said before, if you love something too much, especially when it's a cat, sometimes, you know, not sometimes, it's actually all the time, they'll always be taken away. Either they get sick or they get an accident. They just, but I bet Toby's in cat heaven now and looking up, you know, looking down from up there, and hope he'll remember us. Okay, so that's all. I think I'm gonna have to make this video into 2 parts because I think it's longer than any others. So I'm done with this one. So we'll wait till dinner time maybe. I don't think I'm going to show lunch. I don't know because I don't really eat. Usually my lunch, this breakfast will be like for lunch also. So, okay, thank you guys thank you anybody who is watching. Thank you anybody who is subscribing. Have a nice day.